the melody burning. The first selection is entitled Mirage, Part 1. Eyes bring speech, civil love, sighs thick in her bones. Air calm feathers, tickling skin, the heart heats. Fires glow in stars, day and night, pleasure melts a stone, brow of cunning crown, a woman proud, caressed in gown. To kneel and fold for prayer, to peel and clutch button weather, her eyes shook the mother, amorous dance, keeping daughter. Labyrinthine queen drank labyrinthine dew, till the sun set, widely stoned. Clad in spring, palms met, breath giving flesh, loving sketch. Air stirs no better anywhere. Cut on speech bled, brief or bade, her smitten laugh beneath the quarrel, fire's kiss. Hearts cease the court of lily, renewal flowers, eternal leaves. Palms press the sun into a robe, her lover, her heart, her clothes. Part 2. Play of bee buzz, psychic purr. Her way marries who she was to who is hers, love-eyed. Lights ever see pairs, light showers seduce, powers dance in air for a juice. For bride descended, she is a scent, some bloom to wear, her laughter, breath, cut brow and sphere. Part 3. Her eyes trim fear, blink folding film in cheeks that shower, a sweet girl to me. Known from old times, in age let often crisp, new hymns reside, new tracks of gold to me. You loving me, thee, all wearing prayer. No eye is bluest, sky's witness to me. Cheeks color cologne of fire flame, star cinder's arms fuel worlds running free for me. Any woman releases some tyranny. Touching love wanders, racks, and wars free for me. But about the guilt I shelter, untouched, a proud pill powders light in her for me. Time apprehends, days play, the wall's protege. High in dancing Malay, not a word from me. Having pride, high and bold, wakening swathed souls, no seizure laughs so rolled as a word from me. Soot hid within the wave, threads of tulle spread, engrave love in the racing brave to a word from me. What care of reach in me, a pair, angelic witch. Part 4. Her lash told joy to hide the dark that dawns. Stars through days adieu, the merciful sounds. High lash told lit view, flourishes in gown, flame-warming hum to the bounce of down. At last folds hands to catch a rapture or tuck wild power in foreign crown. The rare princess, free the most for passion, spirit fairy run, fist in palm a flower, flowing in trance, seeking womb ties in love, clearing teas, wise lips renew dreams in visions of joyous color, home in a guardian garden. Part 5. I know the view of clad snow upon the page, met by much wish, evoked by flame, she meditated. Age is still. Within pause, waiting in woman, head spun spell upon a sea, goddess shrine. Sky much worn, carousel shell sends a name. Cleverly thee, life sends me no shame. Witness to love, Sky's sieve pours ever, the solitaire in one short line. I love you. Part 6. I wear nom de guerre, for in the eclipse eyes spray gold forever. A prophecy, a dare, urge sharpens, precious heritage. Call me most proud to wave, airy outburst, loving cloud, that carnal pull. Hands tease anger, acting great, haunting a bare people. When I stir a cure in why dawn settles, she hums a feminine hymn. A woman turns to heart, to glitter cheek. Once words roll into ash, once the spirit spins steam sutures, voice cut in custom, just lonely to know, be met, a friend, a pair. A prayer in laughter, trust in mirage, just this marriage, thus spinster's age.